Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to once again do a giveaway video. For those of you who watched my last video, you already know that as an expression of my gratitude for helping me reach over 5,000 subscribers on this channel, I am doing 5 giveaways this month. So giveaway videos will be sprinkled all throughout the month. The last video that I did, I shared 2 giveaway items, so there will be 2 lucky winners. All 5 of the giveaways are running all the way through May 25th, so there's plenty of time to enter, and then following May 25th, I will announce all 5 winners on my IG stories. So today I have a new goodie for you, and as you can see, hint, hint, it is related to Louis Vuitton, and spoiler alert, it is also related to Disney. So if you are a Disney fan, I know there are some huge die-hard Disney fans out there. Actually, my family and I, we were supposed to go to Disney right before all of this happened. I think you know what I'm referring to when I say all of this, and we had to cancel our trip, but that's okay. We will find another time. It's most important that we're all healthy and safe. So without further ado, let me show you the goodie. Dun, 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 dun. Here it is. So this adorable little key charm is actually made from repurposed, authentic Louis Vuitton canvas. So Ingrid, who is the owner of Reloving It, that's the name of the small business behind this key charm, she and I became friends on Instagram, and we found out that we're both from New York, we are both moms, and she's definitely a hustler as she's got her day job and she started this side business as well. So she's juggling a lot, and what she's doing is really cool because it actually helps with sustainability and the environment. She's taking unloved, old, unused canvas from authentic Louis Vuitton bags. I think she's also making charms from other types of canvas too, maybe other brands, but so far this is the one that I'm aware of, the Louis Vuitton one. And she's making these adorable key charms. So this is handmade. I'll give you a close-up. So this portion here is the canvas, and then there's some pop of color here with the blue leather. And then in the back, it's all the same color, the blue. Now, again, this is handmade, so there are going to be some little quirks and maybe some little imperfections. But what I love about handmade items is that they're all a little bit different, and so no two are alike, and they're a little bit, kind of unique. And you also know that there's a human being behind this. It's not like these were stamped out in a factory. So you have a New York mom hustling and designing these and making these and just making a small business for herself. So I think that's just really, really cool. It comes with gold hardware, which actually matches really nicely with the Louis Vuitton hardware. And you have this really easy clasp opening. So I'm going to show you what this looks like on some of my Louis Vuitton items, just to kind of give you a frame of reference in terms of size and how it looks. Now, of the 5 giveaways that I'm doing this month, this is the only item that was gifted to me, just because of the friendship that developed over Instagram and the fact that Ingrid said, I would like to send you a key charm just for your honest review of it and let me know what you think. And I said, actually, I'm about to do a bunch of giveaways, and it would be really cool if I could actually include one of your key charms as a giveaway item, and she agreed to it. So that's how this came to be, but all of the other giveaway items were purchased by me with my own money. It's just this is a little bit of a unique situation. Now, I have to say, while I did promise to do this as a giveaway for all of you guys, when it arrived in the mail, the first thing my daughter said, and you guys know I have a daughter who's almost 10 years old, was, no, mommy, do not give this away. It's so cute. I want to keep it. So she definitely wanted it for herself. Obviously, she's a Minnie Mouse fan. And you guys know she thinks that the damier ebene on the Louis Vuitton pieces are ugly, according to her. And I don't blame her because she's a girl, and I think she just likes girly girl colors. But this one, the monogram, she actually likes because of the flower, and she thinks it's prettier than the damier ebene. So just a side story, she really, really wanted to keep this, but I explained to her that this is meant to go to one of my lovely subbies who has been supporting my channel, so she understood. So without further chit chat here, I will show you. This is my mini pochette in the damier ebene, the ugly one, as my daughter would say. And because there are these little what is this, like hoops here or loops here, it's easy to hook this on, as you can see. And then let's give you a good shot of this. So if you have a mini pochette or you're thinking of buying a mini pochette, this looks super cute together. I know some of you out there actually get really creative and you let this short strap dangle and you put a longer gold strap on, like the one I have on my pochette accessoire that I did a video on. I will show you a close-up in a minute. And you wear this as a mini crossbody. And how cute is it if you have little mini dangling from the side? So here, monogram against damier bin, I think it looks super cute. I actually like the mix and match. And then you have the really nice pop of color, which is just very bright and cheerful, which is, I think, what we need right now. So there it is on the mini pochette. And then, oh, let me show you the hardware. So it's not exactly the same color as the Louis Vuitton hardware, but it's pretty close. So from a distance, you will not be able to tell at all. And this is not meant to be sold as a Louis Vuitton item. This is definitely sold as an inspired Louis Vuitton item that was handmade. So let me show you. Here, I don't want to forget to do this. So this is the name of Ingrid's business. So it's called Reloving It by D. I'll give you a close-up of her website, relovingitbyd.com. I'm also going to post a photo of this key charm on my Instagram, which is the same name as my channel, Hello Catwalk City. And when you go to enter the giveaway, you'll see that, you know, on the photo or on the post, I will also tag the business so you can easily go check it out for yourself. Okay. So, and by the way, I get nothing out of this. It's not like there's some kind of partnership or sponsorship. Literally, it was just, you know, a casual conversation where Ingrid said, hey, would you mind reviewing my key charm and giving me your honest opinion? And I said, hey, actually, I could give it out as a giveaway if you don't mind. So it just sort of organically happened. I don't get paid for this. It's just really women supporting women, New Yorkers sticking together, really, because I was really excited to find out she's a neighbor. Okay, so here it is on the pochette accessoire. This is the gold chain that I was referring to that I purchased off of Etsy. I really like this because it's versatile and you can wear it multiple ways. I did do a video on this showing 6 different ways to use the pochette accessoire. And yeah, I love it. I love it better than the vachetta strap that it comes with. So here, it looks really nice with mini. So monogram on top of monogram. How cute is that? So here it is from the side. From the front. It's definitely light and very easy. It's not bulky. It doesn't weigh down. You don't have to worry about it ruining the bag or, you know, pushing down on the hardware. It's just super light. It, just like Louis Vuitton canvas, is very light. Okay, so let's move that back. And then here on the larger pochette Matisse. So here's my pochette Matisse in the monogram. You guys have seen that before. Okay, so let me put it here. Oh, actually, I really like that. So yeah, it sort of blends, but because the bow is a different color, it pops too. So that's how it looks. I think it looks super cute like that. It's very playful. I know a few months back, sometime last year, I gave away a Gucci booklet and it had some of their Disney collection in there, and a number of you guys were really, really excited about that because you're Disney fans. So again, if you are a Louis Vuitton fan and a Disney fan, then I would say go for it. Enter for the giveaway down below. Let me know. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to take this off once more and give you a close-up again. Here is the cutie, and I already talked about the giveaway rules in my first video where I shared the first 2 giveaway goodies, but just in case, it's 5 quick steps. 1, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. 2, comment down below with your IG name. That is the only way I'm going to be able to reach out to you and let you know that you're the winner, and also collect your mailing address so that I can ship this out to you if you win. Then 3rd, hop over to Instagram, follow me on my Instagram channel, on my Instagram, follow me, and then you'll see the post with the photo of this mini charm, and all I need you to do really is comment that you are entering for the giveaway and tag 5 friends. 5. It's the theme of 5. So 5,000 plus subscribers, 5 giveaways. There'll be 5 lucky winners. Tag 5 friends through the month of May, which is the 5th month of the year. And by the way, 5 is my favorite number. It's my lucky number. I can tell you all kinds of stories about how the number 5 has showed up throughout my life, but I won't bore you. I'll stick to the plan here and just give you a close-up of the key charm. So there you have it at different angles. Here's the side. Super cute. Here's the back. And here's the clasp. And the giveaway is open worldwide, runs through May 25th, as I said, and I will announce all 5 winners on my IG stories. So thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned because I have 2 more giveaway videos coming later this month. Bye-bye!